Hi everybody, Josh here, and today we're going to tackle a quick question and problem, and that is how to change the file extension in Windows 10. I'm going to try to do it in less than 1 minute. Okay, in this test folder here, you see I have an image file. It is a .png file, and if I open it, it opens in Windows Photos. Great, right? Okay, but let's say I need to change it to a .jpeg, and I want to be able to do that right here in the File Explorer. The problem is if you go in and you change the name of it to .jpeg, all you're doing is changing the actual file name. You're not changing the actual extension type. Okay, so this is super easy. When you're in Windows 10 File Explorer, you're starting on the Home tab, you go to the View tab, and there's a little checkbox here called File Name Extensions. You simply check that box and you'll see that the title has changed to .png. Now, if you want to change it to a JPEG, you simply click into the title and change the extension. Windows will tell you that you're changing the file extension and that it might be unstable. Now, what that means is if you took like a PDF file and you changed it to an MP3, it's just not going to work as an MP3 because it doesn't have the correct information. For a lot of image files, however, you can easily change the extension without any issues. In this case, we know that it'll work. We're going to say yes. Now you can see the .jpg, and you can see that the file type has changed to .jpg as well, and if we open the file, it opens in Photos. Just a quick note that you can do this with any file extension. I use the JPEG and PNG as a quick example because I know that images always work really well with this. But if you, for whatever reason, saved a file as the incorrect file type, this is the way that you would fix it. Hopefully this video helped you. If it did, consider liking the video to help me and the channel out so I can provide more answers to your tech questions in the future. Thanks.